Peace, love, and light. I am Picasso Cognizance. This is Resolute Fathers. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend about Resolute Fathers. And if you haven't got the book, Who's the Daddy, make sure you get your copy. Now, according to petervanlaw.com, it talks about the 5 signs of parental alienation. Okay? Children are unusually angry with you. Sometimes evidence of alienation is demonstrated to the emotional state of the children themselves. One of the more commonplace examples of alienation is children who have become unusually angry with you. They may demonstrate anger, and yet you are unable to pinpoint the reason why they are so upset. When asked why they are upset, they are likely to dodge or evade the question. Okay, children might respond with that what may seem like a nonsensical reason as to why they are angry with you. Such a response may stem from an unfair or even untrue statements made by the other parent, to children. The other parent might accuse you of something improper to your kids, and that is not only improper, but untrue. Okay? Other parent attempts to keep children away from you. Another signal that an attempt to alienate children may be occurring is an attempt by the other parent to keep the children away from you. For example, if you are the non-custodial parent, the custodial parent may interfere with your parenting time rights in some manner. If interference with parenting time occurs, you are wise to seek assistance from a so-called skilled, experienced, lawyer or family law attorney or whatnot to enforce your rights. You got to be mindful of these attorneys and lawyers too, man, because it can get a little tricky. Okay. And, the retaining fee can range from $2,000 up to $10,000 depending on the attorney you are hiring. You know what I'm saying? If you're a celebrity or something like that, it may even be more higher depending on the tax bracket. You feel me? If you don't believe me, ask Tyrese. Okay. Now, other parent makes negative statements about you to children. One of the most common signs that parent-related alienation is being attempted is the other parent makes negative or degrading statements about you to the children. Negative statements made by the other parent to your children really can have a damaging effect on how your children see you. So we got to be mindful of that. With all this, man, I believe 9 times out of 10, child support actually comes into play, or because a relationship went sour, one of the parents feels salty, so they want to run a child support and thinking that they're hurting the other parent, but in reality, they are harming the child. Okay. So now the sign of parental alienation is found in the other parent making false allegations of abuse. Okay. False allegations of abuse not only can draw a wedge between the targeted parent and children, but it can result in everything from an altercation of custody or parenting time, as well as a criminal investigation. Now that right there, man, we gotta be, if something like that, if the criminal investigation is being involved or whatnot, that's when you get the courts involved. You feel what I'm saying? That's when you go get the courts, child support, and all the folk. Because if it's getting to a high level of violence, because a parent can't keep the emotions under subjection, whatnot. Okay, and when you do go to court, I recommend for you to file for joint legal custody. Be mindful of that. Just put differences aside, family. Take care of them kids, man. They didn't ask to be here. You feel me? So let's take care of our responsibility. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend about Resolute Fathers. Share this channel and also join Resolute Fathers Patreon. Peace, love, and light.